How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the Foodie TV. It's Davian, and today in Bangkok, I'm out and about going to visit a spot that's known for their mango sticky rice. This place is famous for it. It has thousands of reviews, and I love mango sticky rice, so I'm super excited, and it's all coming right up in this video. All right, we're almost there. You see that yellow little shop right there? That's the place we're going to get to. All right, you guys, we've made it to the shop. We're right in front. As you can see behind me, it's all the fresh mangoes on display in the front for sale. It looks super ripe. They have different pricing on there. I think it depends on the ripeness, level of ripeness, but if I'm wrong, correct me in the comments, you guys. We're gonna go check it out. This place doesn't have any seating, so I'm just gonna go buy a box of mango sticky rice and then head back to do the full tasting. Once you get past the mangoes, they have other traditional Thai desserts as well, mango inspired. There's some taro looking desserts from right here, I think, and then inside, once you step in, you see all kinds of mango things, dried mangoes, mango candy. The moment you walk in, you can smell the fragrance of the mango sticky rice on the pandan. The ladies are making it back there, and man, they're doing it non-stop, and I'm already like salivating from all the incredible smell of the fresh mango sticky rice. This is their coconut milk and mung bean topping, and then that's the rice. And as you can see, they're making it fresh all day long, and it's still warm. We made it back. Took me about 15 minutes to get back here, but the rice is still warm and the coconut milk is still warm, more on the hot side. So you know that's fresh, and mango sticky rice is meant to be eaten or enjoyed warm. I think the rice when it's warm is a lot better. So first things first, let's try just the mango by itself, because the mango is the most important piece to this entire puzzle, right? Cheers, guys. That's a really good mango. So this mango is not overly ripe. There's still some tartness to it, which I like, because the rice and the coconut milk should bring a little more sweetness to it. So I usually like my mango on like the more tart side and not just super sweet, because if it's just super sweet, then the entire thing will be like overly sweet. So it is also not mango season right now, so the mango out there is going to be out of season, so it's not going to be like at its peak ripeness. But if you know anything about the mangoes here in Thailand, it's just incredible. The mangoes here are just over the top, out of this world, on another level. So I'm gonna take another bite of the mango. It's just nice and soft. Very juicy, very juicy. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, there's 3 different rice options with the mango. You can get all white rice, or you can get this colorful option. The green one is pandan, and the blue one is butterfly pea, and then you got your regular sticky rice. Comes with a bag of coconut milk and some mung bean. The first step is to put on your coconut milk. I usually like to just take the rubber band off, right? Or if there was a little more rice, I would just cut this little triangle piece right here. And all you guys do is just put this coconut milk all over the rice. I usually like to do just enough to cover the top, and then I'll go in to the mango just like that. After that, you guys take this mung bean they give right here, dried mung beans, to add a little more texture, and you just sprinkle it all over the top of this to get that amazing crunchy texture. Now let's take our first bite. I'm just gonna try the rice alone first before we combine everything. Go with the white rice. Oh, I like how the coconut milk is not overly sweet as well, just the right amount of sweetness. It's just like a hint, so you will not get tired of this. try the butterfly pea, see if we taste anything else. Cheers. Can't really taste any flavor coming through on the butterfly pea sticky rice. And then let's try the pandan. I'm trying to smell if there's any fragrant. The smell of the pandan is very subtle. Not too much still, just a little hint of pandan, but you also taste a little bit of saltiness in the rice itself, which is very unique. So I already know that's going to bring a very special combination once we combine it with the entire thing. So I'm going to take a little spoonful of rice and gotta get my piece of mango right here, you guys. Cheers. Oh, if you like mango sticky rice, that bite of coconut, crispy mung bean, and just sweet tart mangoes all together, it's just amazing. Cheers. And if you've never had mango sticky rice before, I know on paper it sounds a little weird. Why would you eat mango with rice, right? But this dessert, you guys, is so outstanding. I'm gonna add a little more coconut just to get a little more sweetness into it, because now as I'm going down to some of the other pieces of mango, I taste a little more tartness. And usually there's a bigger portion of rice. This is actually a small, really small portion of rice that I've noticed. And this entire thing costs about 150 baht, which breaks down into about $4 to $5 US, but it's a little more pricey than your typical average mango sticky rice here in Bangkok. I've seen it go around like 80 to 100 baht depending on where you go. But this place has the hype, has the name, and has the reviews to back their pricing up, right? So cheers, guys. Yeah, that bite was much better. Definitely soak the entire plate with the coconut milk. It makes it a lot better. And I can already tell if the mango was just a little tiny bit sweeter, this would just be over the top. And just that crunchy texture from the mung bean adds just a nice layer of flavor and texture. So you get a little bit of crunchiness, a little bit of sticky, and then a little bit of tart from the fruit, and it's just soft. So it's amazing. It's good. Is this the best sticky rice that I've ever had? Personally, this is not. So, you know, if you were in the area and you happen to walk past by, I would recommend trying it. But for me, I've had amazing sticky rice all over Thailand, and there's only so much you can do to make it like to the next level, to take it to the next level, right? So the best place that I've ever had it has been surprisingly in Chiang Mai. So stay tuned for that video, because when I'm back in Chiang Mai, I'm going to definitely visit that spot to make another video. But this is a solid mango sticky rice to me. In Thailand, there's so many mango sticky rice vendors all over the place. You can find them in the mall, you can find the street markets, on the streets, a standalone shop just like that. So if you love mango sticky rice, just highly recommend just trying it. But for this place, I would say you don't really have to go out your way just to visit this spot for mango sticky rice, because for me, it tastes on par for the most part. But like I said, if you're in the area, definitely make a pit stop just to grab and go. And just remember, guys, there's no seating there, so it's just takeaway, and you guys will have to take it and find a spot to eat it at. All right, I'm going to finish this off. Enjoy the nice, beautiful view as the sun starts going down. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know where I should go in Thailand. Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, anywhere. I would love to try to check it out once I am in that area. And be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for the next episode. And then lastly, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next episode of the Foodie TV. Peace.